today's video, we have a little tractor here. Duct tape, America. We got my friend over here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put the sled tied to this, and he's gonna start driving. Dial one of what could go wrong. Here we go! Fast, 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 fast! Now we're gonna do some more stuff. I'm gonna show you a view of what it's like from in there. Sorry about this next clip. I guess it looks like it was filmed with the potato because it was filmed with my friend's phone from the rear view mirror. Now, it's kind of hard to drive and film. But anyways, here I am. We set up this rig here, all up to him. You can probably guess what's happening. Matt, all up to you! Okay. Let go when you're ready! Oh, there was a rock in there, Matt. What? There's a rock in there.